So literature review is still scaring you. And you've heard that you can use AI to do it, but you're not even sure how. You don't even know how to get your topic. You're not even sure what you want to do. This video is for you. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to leverage AI to get a proper literature review topic. A researchable literature review topic. A literature review topic that has proper rationale. Now, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, best believe that you need to click that subscribe button because you don't want to miss any video from me if you're drafting your literature review. So this video would go around literature review that is like a form of narrative review, which is the most common one that students do write. So we're going to go into details shortly. So you've heard of GPT-5, you've heard of AI agents, you've heard of so many things, but you're still not sure what all of this is. And you're still using your ChatGPT as if you're just asking your assistant, what is this? What is that? What is this? So we're going to be leveraging AI agents in ChatGPT to get us a research question, a proper literature review topic, and also coin out our research question from it. If possible, we're going to go a step further to tell you to give us a rationale, including literatures as well that we can leverage. Now, I want you to understand something because I always put a disclaimer. There is an ethical way to do things, and I'm going to talk you through it. Yes, literature review is here to make your life easier. And no, it's not cheating. And no matter what anybody says, literature, AI is here to stay and it's here to change our lives. But the way we use it within academia would either show whether, we're ready as a body to evolve beyond just synthesis. It just shows that there's so much more that can be done in academia and students are able to achieve so much more and able to explore so many more literatures. It makes you more productive. That's how I say it. But you have to use it ethically on your path. You have to make sure that you document your process and you're being very fair. Do not cheat with it. Don't just take everything that AI spews out to you and you just copy and you just paste it. That is cheating. But I will show you the process now of, let's get the topic, let's get a rationale, let's get the research question, let's just play around with it and see what this AI agent in GPT-5 can do, okay? All right, we're going to pop into my screen, obviously, so that we can see some of this. All right, guys, so I will just quickly show you how to use GPT-5, the agent, and so you can do the same. So when you come onto your ChatGPT page, I use the paid version of ChatGPT at the moment, obviously. So you want to explore your GPTs, and this I already have open, as you can tell, but you want to go to this explore and then you search for your GPT agent in case you don't know. So you just search for GPT agent, right? It should give you different options. See, you have prompt template agent, you have different forms of GPT agent, but I already have the one I want. I like to use this auto GPT agent. This is the bit that I use, so we're just going to open that. So this is the auto GPT agent. So you can ask this auto GPT to do so many things. As you can see, it's your personal AI agent. It will plan, research, strategize, and work to complete tasks semi-autonomously, right? And all of those things for you. So you have all of that. So you can already tell that this is where you want to be. Now, with this agent, the first thing we want to do is to ask it, since we want to generate a research topic and we also want a rationale for it. All of this we're still going to double check, even though AI is doing it for us. I'm just giving that info ahead now, but this is how you go about it. Now, once you have this, your agent, you then tell it, so give a detail. Your prompt can be more, but just for demonstration purpose now. Say, for example, I'm a mental health nursing student and I particularly like a particular section of mental health. For example, let's say depression, and I want different topics around depression in the UK that I can explore. And then I start from there. That's a good start point, right? So I go about saying something of that like I am, I don't know if you can see my screen very well. But anyway, when I enter it, you will see I'm a mental health nursing student. If you can't see the part where I'm typing at the moment. Probably the screen recording is not covering that area. I'm a mental health nursing student and I'm generating this from head. I can provide you detailed prompts if you want. Just let me know in the comment section and then I'll create those prompts. But if you don't tell me, I wouldn't know you need it. So, and I am looking to write a literature review. My focus is on depression in the UK. Can you research possible topics that I could explore, provide academic papers that supports the research of this topic, also give a detailed rationale for each of, so let's say you should give us 5 topics, each of the 5 topics, right? My focus is on this. Can you research 5 possible topics? Let's just say 5 possible topics that I could explore. So instead of prove, let's say provide academic journals that support this. Let it be a topic that impacts mental health, nursing, and nursing policy. So you just give it those details and then just press enter, and then you can close your laptop and come back later. But then this is Auto GPT agents. So let's see, it's searching for papers on depression in the UK and all of those. So it's going to, I made it so broad. As you can see, I just said depression in the UK. That's not something that is coined down in any way, which means that you can know it's not limited. So it goes all the way and then runs a search. So it's back now to say, great, as a mental health nursing student focusing on depression in the UK, you have an excellent area for literature review. Below are 5 possible topics, each with a detailed rationale and initial supporting academic literature. You can pick one or more for your review. If you like, I can also help you flesh out a full draft outline, find additional papers, and map gaps in literatures. Which are the things we want to do? The only thing is you need to know how to do it. Now, I'm not rating you at the moment. Let's see. So we have topic 1. It says workforce mental health of mental health nurses and link to patient outcomes, which I think is a brilliant topic. The workforce that cares for people with depression is also under strain. For example, a UK review found that. So it puts the paper there. So what do? You click on that and go read the paper. You see, we have all of good papers here that you can explore. So you just follow those links, read those papers. This is how you get the topic that you like. These are supporting papers. You have the links there. You have easy access to those papers. So you just go ahead and read the papers. So possible literature review focus subtopics. We're still on the first topic, topic 1. So it gives you all of that. Same for topic 2. Gives you the rationale, gives you supporting papers, gives you possible literature review focus. If you want it to also give you examples of research questions that you could ask, we also include that. Now, this is topic 3. This is topic 4. See, this is topic 5 with the rationale in bullet point. We're not asking it to write the whole workforce, but this has given us somewhere to start. This is a good starting point. With this, you would have a good research topic that you can take to your supervisor, and then you can try to break down the rationale. They'll give you ideas, more ideas, and then you can then use this to start your writing. This is a good starting point. So if you're looking to start your literature review and you want to decide on a topic and you don't know where to start, now you do. Now you do. And the moment you are able to get all of this, you know what the next things will be. So you can check the video I've made on introduction to literature review. So you know how to draft your introduction part of your literature review. I told you from start to finish, I'll be holding your hand. So this is everything that I promised. So if you wanted to give you a research question, you just need to add additional prompt to it. You will have research questions. See, even gave us a summary table. The agent is the thing. I know some of you will just go in there and just say chat new. Oh yeah, this, that. But use agents. I feel like this is a great addition to ChatGPT, and people are not talking about it enough. So it has done like the background search. This ideally would take you nothing less than 2 to 3 weeks to search. Now, this doesn't mean that it's only ChatGPT you should use for everything and then not do additional search. But you can do additional search because you already have something to work with. Does that make sense? So, yes, guys, this is it. Okay, so I bet that you're blown away right now. You're like, yay, I've got a shortcut. But use this with caution. Remember, you need to follow the steps. You need to read those papers. You need to be sure that those papers are of good quality. And you need to, talk through things with your supervisor. Make sure that they are aware of what you intend to do and how you intend to do it. All right, guys, I hope that this has put a smile on your face and has eased some form of anxiety that might come from literature review. Until I see you again in my next video, make sure you put a smile on somebody's face. Bye.